Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned fish at home. First, select your fish carefully, ensuring it's fresh and suitable for canning, such as salmon, trout, or mackerel. Next, gather all your equipment, including a pressure canner, canning jars, lids, and rings. Proper preparation of your workspace and tools is crucial for safety and success. We'll cover each step in detail to ensure your homemade canned fish is delicious and safe to eat. Once your fish is selected, it's time for preparation. Clean and gut the fish thoroughly, removing the head, tail, fins, and scales. Cut it into pieces about 3 1/2 inches long that will fit comfortably into your canning jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. You can add 1 teaspoon of canning salt to each pint jar, or 1/2 teaspoon for half-pint jars, for flavor. Pack the fish firmly into the jars, ensuring no air pockets remain. Now for the canning process itself. After packing your fish, wipe the jar rims clean with a vinegar-moistened paper towel and apply the lids and rings, tightening them finger-tight. Place the jars into your pressure canner, ensuring there are 2 to 4 inches of water in the bottom. Vent the canner for 10 minutes before bringing it up to the required pressure, typically 10 pounds for a weighted gauge canner. Maintain this pressure for the recommended time, which is 100 minutes for pint jars. After processing, turn off the heat and let the pressure canner cool naturally until the pressure gauge reads 0. Do not force cool it. Remove the jars and let them sit undisturbed on a towel for 12 to 24 hours to cool and seal properly. Check each jar for a good seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your delicious homemade canned fish in a cool, dark, and dry place, ideally between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Home canned fish is best used within 1 year. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy your preserved fish in various recipes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.